Let me not play for real. Cause y'all be trying to look at my cheeks. Y'all not slick. I know y'all trying to look at my cheeks. Hey gems, it's your girl MissJemima, and we are back at it again with another motherfucking video. Okay, we are back at it again with the motherfucking what I eat in the zay. What I eat in the zay. Your girl's been up washing dishes. Washing dishes. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Starting off our morning with some water. I'm actually running behind because I meal prepped yesterday and then left the dishes. So I had to get to that this morning and the time went flying by. So thankfully breakfast is already cooked. So we just have to heat it up and get to it, honey, get to it. We are having the groundiest of turkeys and we are having that with plantain. So let's get to it microwaving. Yeah, y'all, when I tell you there was no morning routine today, there was no vibe, there was no slow tea vibration plate. It was up, dishes, and now chew. Dishes then chew. Oh, now we already forgetting about y'all. What? Oh, microwave food. Hey. Ironically enough, I meal prep this, but what I really want is eggs. And low key, if I had the time, I'd make some eggs, but we don't. So here we are. Let's microwave our food, darling. Let's give her a little while. Hey, I need a fried egg on top. Some. Let me get some. Okay. Since I'm having a whole plantain this morning, I do not need any additional carbs. So we're not gonna do banana, no fruit, no nothing. Okay? Because the macros on plantain is actually kind of insane. So that should be more than enough to hold us over until lunch. Which I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad about because I did get baby food. This is so good. Like, especially the strawberry or like strawberry banana. They're so good, but not today. Not today. Not today. Did I show you guys the food after I microwaved it? Damn, that's crazy because I realized when I took the last bite. Did I even come back on camera? I'm so sorry. Y'all, I'm back. I forgot we was even chatting. Forgot we had a mission today, which is our little what I eat in a day. I forgot to grab my protein shake on the way out, so I just got home. I just did a killer back workout. And that's what happens when you try to work in a set with the boys. I told them the next time I walk to the gym, I'm gonna be like this. Just swole as hell. Anyway, surprisingly, I'm not like ravenous. Actually, my appetite has been sketchy lately. And you guys know I briefly went down to 7. I'm back at 10. And I think just those 2 weeks at the 7, just like did something to my appetite, but we pushed through. Okay, we gonna chew still. We're just chewing strategically. We're trying to get maximum macros, maximum nutrients, you know, without heavy food. So what I make for lunch? Oh, I didn't finish cooking the asparagus. Damn. Let's make that. Oh, I'm so glad I washed this pan and put it right here. Perfect. Oh, I also said baked sweet potato too. I meant to do that this morning. I'm completely off today. Can you tell that I'm off? I don't have no quick rice, so I'm gonna have my plantain, and that's fine because instead of plantain and ground turkey tomorrow, I can make oatmeal, or I can have toast. Actually, I'm gonna have toast because, like I said, I have more than enough carbs. But today is a heavy workout day. I'm going to solid core. Mind you, I just got back. I'm going to solid core because my friend wanted to go, so I'm really going to support her. But damn, mind you, I have a workout class tonight, but I don't think I'm going to that class tonight because like that's actually insane. Like that's insane. Mind you, didn't I just tell y'all I just had a killer back workout? Cheeks still hurting from damn, I want the asparagus. I don't feel like washing and cleaning asparagus right now. I just want to chew. And that's why I don't like waiting to do stuff. I don't like waiting to do stuff. Because I know when I'm in the middle, when I'm in the thick of it, I'm not in the mood to do it. It's actually kind of like I gotta rush and get some things done before I head out again. I gotta get ready. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I would love to do it for y'all, but it's not gonna happen. I'll have the asparagus tonight. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna have it tomorrow because today's just too heavy. The refrigerator is getting my nerves. Let's close that. Okay, so we can still do the chicken drummies. Chicken drummies. I'm doing a little toast. I have some leftover chicken as well from a cookout over the weekend. We're not gonna let that go to waste. Thank you. See, a cute little salad mix. I didn't get no salad mix this time. Child, I was gonna overcook this. These chicken drummies, y'all. I low-key took off my leggings. I hope you can't see no cheeks. If you can, I'm so sorry. I've been like rashing out this grilled chicken. It's my last piece. But some of that meat on the grill just hit different. You know what I'm saying? Like something about a glizzy on the grill. That's why I'm like, Costco glizzies don't really do it for me because they're too soft. It's giving boiled, and I want crispy. I want grill. I want charcoal. Because I do have that piece of chicken, I'm gonna pick out the smallest pieces of drummies. Like this is small. Like this cutie patootie right here. Child. Which one is smaller? Oh, this is smaller for sure. Okay. We're gonna do 2 of the smallest drummies and that chicken. That way I can save the rest for later. And that's how you know this is probably real chicken. Because them drumsticks is teeny tiny. Y'all ever see the GMO ones that they be selling in some stores? Yikes. Why is a chicken drumstick the same size as my thigh? Them's not real chickens. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not real. There's no way. It's no way. There's no way. So, oh, well, I can stop by. Oh, that's what I'm going to do. Because I'm behind on my vegetables for the day by skipping it now. So on the way back from Solid Core, I'm gonna stop and grab something. I'm behind on fruit and veggies. I did pick up these white nectarines. I'm gonna go ahead and have this. And then, yeah, I'm gonna pick up an extra vegetable for tonight to get my vitamins in. I'm starting my protein shake, so I can drink that while I'm shopping, perhaps. There's no twang to this. It's just sweet. If you know anything about me, I like twang, okay? I like a little tartness, a little something. This is just sweet. And also, I damn near cut my lip trying to chew this. Is that how it's supposed to look in the middle, or is that going bad? I've never had a white nectarine before. I don't love these. I won't be getting these again. Baby, I need twang. I should have got pineapple or something. I'm gonna finish them though. I'm gonna finish them. I restocked on my favorite sourdough bread, so you know I can't wait to make me a little toast. Y'all know I can't wait for me to toast up a little bread. I feel like y'all are like really zoomed in. Am I tripping? I shouldn't be lowering y'all knowing I ain't got no pants on. Hopefully you can't see. Actually, I'm playing games. Let me not play for real. Let me not play for real. Cause I'll be trying to look at my cheeks. Y'all not slick. I know y'all trying to look at my cheeks. This ain't that kind of party, baby. This ain't that kind of party, okay? I ain't mad though. If I was y'all, I'd want to see my cheeks too. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? I would too. I ain't mad at it. It's weird, but I ain't mad at it. Also, lately, I've been kind of into the clear protein, but like the actual powder. Like ready to drink shakes usually hit better than mix it yourself. But the oat ones are actually pretty good. And so I committed to the full size. This is Icy Blue Raz. But I also got the small one because I heard the Brazilian lime. Is this Brazilian lime? Oh, that's Frosty Lemonade. Oh, she sent me the wrong one. I think she said they're out of lemonade. I think they're out. Damn, the Brazilian limeade was the one that everyone kept saying was so good. Well, damn, I guess I won't be trying that today. I don't know. I will say, ever since I had the NAD plus infusion, I have not been as tired as I usually am. Usually I'd be like, oh damn, I need a coffee, I need something bad right now. I feel okay, and I'm very surprised. And it's not like in a hyped up kind of way. I just don't feel as like run down. I might need to look into that because I like this for me. I really like this for me. Anyways, chicken, toast. She's still cooking. Nectarine. And that is lunch. Very, not impressive. But very real. So, it is what it is, child. So while I was at Trader Joe's, I bought a little treat. It looked so good, and I was like, you know what? It's worth it, me buying this bag, just get a few. Because I know, like, well, let me not say no. Let me not say nothing because I really didn't know what I was gonna give. But it was like a brownie cookie situation. Brookie. Now, I will say, it is good. Like, look at this. It is good, but it's missing a crunch factor. It's very, not very, it's soft. It's like gooey, it gets a little caramel thingy. So I had like 3 or 4 of these, which is, a serving size is 2 pieces, but I tried to pick out the small ones. So not terrible macros, but I just wanted a little piece, I'm not gonna lie. Now that I've had it, the craving is gone. I just wanted something, you know what I'm saying? It was cute though. If you're into crispy brownie pieces, it's not even crispy, chocolate chip cookie pieces, sea salt, kettle cooked caramel, dark chocolate. Yeah, I feel like they had thrown in a little protein situation. That would have been good. I did see these chocolate covered proteins thingies, and I was like, you know what? I can make that myself and make it better using like the protein pretzels because they're already like slightly salted. So you get the crunch, you get the salt. You just need to like drizzle some chocolate on it or something, or maybe freeze like some other toppings. I keep saying I'm gonna do it, but I completely forget about it. And now I don't even have protein pretzels, so I'd have to get more. And I think that once I do that, I might look into more recipes and stuff, because I'm like, if you like crunch them down, you can use them maybe like as a coating on stuff. Anyways, liquid IV, caffeine, last workout of the day. Let the record show this is my 3rd workout. I'm late, but that's intentional. I'm not doing a full hour, but they're gonna get a solid 40 minutes out of me. A solid 40. I was going because my friend, and she's actually not even going anymore because work ended up coming to her rescue. Child, I said, this is overkill. Like, it's not even fun right now. Mind you, this is my fun class, my fun dance class. It don't feel fun right now. It feels like I'm doing too much. But that's all right. Because I would never be doing this again. Anyways, child, let me head on out because like I said, I am running late, but I don't want to be overly late. Like, I do still want a decent workout because if I'm gonna go, like, I might as well get something, right? I want something, not everything. Period. All right. Cheers, darling. Yeah, she was cute, but not my judge for real. I need a little more crunch. A little less sweet and a little more crunch, but then it's like brownie cookie. What'd you expect? You know what I'm saying? I was tantalized. Bye. Okay, I am back from my struggle workout, and we're gonna have our final meal of the day. I made this mix. It's tilapia, cauliflower, peppers, and onion. And I made this, I think the gym bros call it a doggy bowl. But y'all know me, I love a one pan situation, throw everything in a pan and call it a day. So that's basically what this is. For times like this, when I just want something quick and in my stomach, like, I don't have time for cutesy, okay? I actually have a work call that's supposed to start 3 minutes ago. So we're just gonna heat this up so I can hop on. That will be that. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, these servings are pretty big, so it's a little bit more than 4 servings in here. So I have a little extra in case I am hungrier than I thought I'd be, but I don't think that's gonna be the case tonight. So I did about 3/4 of a serving. If I'm hungry, I'll do that last little bit. If not, I'll save it for a snack or something for another time, because I also want to have yogurt tonight with cacao nibs. That's been like my little dessert, and I've been enjoying that. I'm gonna go ahead and prep that as well. Where's the top? Oh, so yeah, I'm going to do the ratio fiber yogurt. A hack to shake it up so that you don't have to mix it, at least not as much. Scrape off every single last drop that's on the lid, because I want all of my macros, honey. Every single last one of them. Ooh, yummers. Now, I actually desperately would love, oh, not a piece of, that's gross. So a piece of fish in there. I would love some strawberries in this, but I already had that big thing of mangoes earlier. So we're just gonna keep it cutesy with the cacao nibs. I'm still obsessed with the yogurt cacao nib situation. I'm so sad about the strawberry. I am truly. We're gonna do a serving. We're gonna do 2 servings of this. Ugh, I love. And this is dessert. Oh, it's so sad without the strawberry, but that's fine. And I also have my water. This is electrolyte water. Actually, I'm throwing in some probiotics as well if I didn't take that today. This is a new flavor that I'm trying out. This is Salud's Pina Colada. So I'm like, you know, you guys, with the horchata mix, I usually make it like a creamy situation. So I'm like, should this be a creamy situation too? I don't know how I'm gonna like it as is, but I'm like, if I mix this with a protein powder, not protein powder, like a protein shake, is it gonna give like raw pina colada, or is this like juicy pina colada? Actually, I'm talking, I really should have made my protein drink. Actually, I still might. I'll let you guys know if I decide to do this. I don't think I will though. How much protein have I had today? I didn't do a lot of protein at breakfast. I only had 1 serving, so I could. But that's a lot. Like I said, my appetite is like doing something weird right now. So, oh my God, I didn't have my protein shake earlier. Oh, I am behind. Damn. Okay, well, when I figure that out, I'll come back. For now, let's just tackle din and our drink and our dessert. If I have space for a protein shake, I'll let y'all know. Anyways, I'm on the clock. Bye. It's days later. I'm sorry, y'all, but I was reviewing the footage and I realized I never ended the vlog or the video. I didn't eat anything else. That was it for the night. Yeah, so that's it for this, what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles. Sorry. Bye.